Hi there, this is Letitia at Showbie. In this video, we'll explore how you and your fellow educators can use Showbie to maximize the effectiveness of your classroom iPads. If your IT staff hasn't done so already, the first step is to download the free Showbie app from the iTunes App Store onto the iPads. Once you launch the App Store, all you need to do is tap the search area and type Showbie for iPad and press the Install button to begin downloading. Once the Showbie app has finished installing, you can immediately open it up and begin creating accounts. To do so, click the Sign Up link underneath the login fields. Since we're setting up a teacher account, we'll press the Teacher tab and fill in the form. If you've received a promotional code at an event, such as an educational technology conference, you can enter it in the very last line of the form to receive your bonus folders. When you're done, press Join. You will automatically be logged into your brand new Showbie account. Setting up your classes and assignment folders from here is very easy, and we've added these prompts to help you along the way. There's one on this page, as you can see here at the bottom where it says New Class. When we tap that plus button, a little window appears. This is where we can either create a new class or join an existing class. At this moment, let's create a class. We'll go over joining a class later on in this video. The name field is where you set the subject and grade level of the class. For this example, we'll make a grade 5 math class. Next, we'll need to copy down the class code in order to grant students and other teachers access. The code works like a password to the class. If a user doesn't have the code, they can't join. Tapping the Save button closes the pop-up window and creates our math class. The prompts here will remind you in case you forget to copy down your code. Now let's set up an assignment for the math class. We'll tap on the Math 5 folder and press the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. For this example, let's say it's a take-home quiz due this Friday at 4 p.m. Press Save and our new assignment will appear. From here, we are able to populate the shared folder with various resources for the students. For instance, we can post photos or videos, record voice notes, and write text notes. For this example, we'll type up a quick note with instructions for the students. Now that we've seen how to set up a class and assignment through the Showbie app, let's approach it from a student's perspective so that you can get the full picture. We'll press the back button in the top left corner and then our name to log out of the app and return to the main sign-in screen. If we press Sign Up again, we'll be able to create new accounts. Let's make a student account this time. Remember that class code we copied earlier? Your students will need it in order to make their Showbie accounts. This is a safety feature we've built in to prevent the creation of bogus accounts and to keep your content within Showbie as secure as possible. Additionally, your students don't need email addresses to sign up for Showbie. Now we'll just complete the rest of the form and press Join. Right away, the student is logged into Showbie and can immediately begin accessing class resources and submitting work. If the student would like to join another class, he or she can simply tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and enter another code. Let's head into the math folder and check out the assignment we made earlier. Just like in the teacher account, the students are able to follow the on-screen prompts in case they ever forget how to navigate through Showbie. In the quiz folder, the student can now see the instructions we left. Moreover, he or she can submit a response for the teacher to view. Now, the awesome thing about Showbie is that you and your students can actually save work from thousands of other apps on the App Store into Showbie. In this example, the student is using Pages to save their quiz answers into their Showbie folder. The fact that Showbie is compatible with so many other apps makes it a one-stop shop for your classroom materials while turning your iPad into a truly powerful tool for learning. Now let's press the back button to log out again and return once more as the teacher. When we navigate to the quiz folder, we can see that a number of students has used the access code to join the math class. This little icon, the paper with the paperclip attached, indicates that this student has submitted content for our review. When we press the file, it neatly opens up directly within the app. If you use a markup app such as Notability, you can now open the student's work in that other app to record your feedback. However, we are in the process of building this functionality directly into Showbie so that you will soon be able to make annotations straight from within the Showbie app. To save your annotations back to the students, simply press the arrow in the top left corner of the screen, then open in another app. Toggle the paper option to on so that your annotations will be visible to the student, then select Open Note In. When you press the Showbie icon, the Showbie app will reopen to the last folder you were viewing. This way, you don't need to remember which class assignment and student folder the markup pertains to. Tapping Add File uploads the feedback directly to the student's folder so that he or she can see it upon logging in next time. Lastly, you can even record quick voice notes to your students, which saves you both time and paper. Now I'm logged in as the student so we can see the annotation from the student's perspective. There are a couple of new icons here as well. The folder with a paper clip on top indicates that a student has submitted some work. The folder with the red circle means a teacher has posted some feedback. The student is instantly able to see the feedback we provided in the form of written annotations and a voice note. So that's how easy it is to get started with Showbie. For more videos like this, head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/ShowbieApp, or if you've got questions, check out our support page, support.showbie.com. Thanks for watching!